To testing, which is now at an all-time high in Colorado, as more people get sick or learn they've been exposed. Copter 4 was over the public testing site at Waterworld today, which has seen long lines every day there in Federal Heights. Statewide, more than 40,000 people got tested yesterday, a record for the state. The previous high was 37,000 just last Friday. More than 1.3 million people have been tested for the virus in our state since the pandemic began. Tonight, CBS 4's Gionet at a testing site in Lakewood. Alan, tests are available, but capacity is being pushed to the limit.
Yeah, big question. You remember early on in this pandemic, we talked about a lack of testing kits. Not so much in this wave. When this testing site at Jeffco Stadium opens up early tomorrow morning, there will be a lot of worried faces in line, but they'll shut it down midday so they don't get overwhelmed. Lines of cars at big testing sites and people seeking tests at small clinics like Dr. Whitney Kennedy's in Northwest Denver. 9 of 18 tests they did Friday came back positive.
Either they were with some buddies on Halloween without using masks. They had a dinner party where every single person got COVID.
Overall, Colorado is not in a state of short supply of testing.
Michele leads the nonprofit Colorado Health Institute and looks at the numbers for Denver and Colorado.
We need to test about 1,000 people a day to get a good, accurate reading about transmission rates, and about 8,000 in the state of Colorado, and we are far exceeding those goals.
About 40,000 tested across the state Monday. Do we have a testing shortage right now?
No, I wouldn't say, Alan, we have a testing shortage. We have a capacity shortage.
Ben Wiederholt is CEO of Stride Community Health that runs big testing sites like Waterworld and Jeffco Stadium. Their biggest challenge is not a lack of testing kits. It's being able to staff people and not back up the labs.
If you want it fast, you want it affordable, and you want it high quality, it's really hard to do all three of those. And so we do pretty well if we can achieve 2 of those 3. Now, Jefferson County will add another testing site next week at the Jeffco Fairgrounds. The state's adding a lot of sites, including a new one at the University of Northern Colorado in Greeley. And Stride Community Health, that runs this testing site and 3 others, is adding about 50% to its staff to try and meet the demand for testing, to try and fight this plague of difficulty. In Jefferson County, I'm Gionet, covering Colorado First.